Why are so many people in Salt Lake suddenly choosing new construction in places like Draper, Lehi, and Herriman instead of buying older homes in Sugar House or downtown? A big reason comes down to value and predictability. Right now, suburban new construction is offering more space, modern floor plans, new schools, and often a lower cost per square foot than many older homes closer to the city center. Areas like Lehi, South Jordan, Draper, and Herriman are booming because they're close to Silicon Slopes jobs, highly rated school districts, and newer infrastructure. Now compare that to buying a fixer-upper in Sugar House or the Avenues. Many buyers are discovering renovation costs are dramatically higher than expected. Appliances have increased, roofing materials, lumber, tariffs, all are driving remodeling budgets way up. Some renovations are costing $20,000 more than estimates from just a few years ago. And then there's the time. Stress, permits, aging plumbing, electrical issue, it adds up fast. Meanwhile, builders are getting aggressive with incentives. Many Utah builders right now are offering mortgage rate buydowns into the 4s or low 5s and covering closing costs just to move completed inventory. That can create a huge monthly payment advantage over resale homes. Plus, developments like the Point in Draper, the former prison redevelopment, are creating entirely new walkable communities near Salt Lake that could become some of the most desirable neighborhoods in Utah over the next decade. So for many, the question isn't, do we want character or charm? It's, do we want fewer surprises, better affordability, and a home built for modern living? And right now, that's why new construction is winning.